Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel fashionframe.digital. Today we're gonna learn how to add a two-way zipper in Clo3D like what you're watching on the screen, and it's gonna be too short because it's too easy. So stay tuned and don't hesitate to hit the thumb on and subscribe and also comment below. Let's go. Okay, this is the garment I will use to go for the tutorial, and I added a zipper to it. If you haven't watched the tutorial of adding a zipper in Clo3D, you can check the link up here and add a zipper at first. And from the window of property editor, right here, you can see its type is on one way, and easily we can change it from here to two-way. Now if I zoom out, you can see it added another puller and a slider to the garment. Right down here, and we can easily select it to use the gizmo and rearrange it. There's another option on Clo3D that you can change the direction of these pullers and sliders, and you can see from here it's on bottom to bottom direction. We can change it to head direction too, right here. You can see it changed their direction, but it's not common for the clothes, but also for some accessories like bags, etc. Anyway, we can rearrange the puller again by the use of the gizmo. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.